Hi guys, welcome back to, tonight's pour for me. And I'm just having some fun here, guys. I have some Floetrol. I went up from that 2-to-1 mix when I was doing the pearl cells testing in comparison. So right now, I guess this is a little test. I'm just doing a re-pour to beat up old canvas. And I'm using the Loft Flow Acrylic White. That's what I found works the best. 2 parts paint, 3 parts Floetrol, water to thin. I have a stream, no mound, light trace. So no mound, streams right into the cup. And then I'm using up some more of that Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And I do have a slight mound. These colors work very well together. I use those in the pearl comparison as well. I'm using the bronze and the black. This is really gorgeous, guys. It is so pretty. That blue is gorgeous. So it did develop a lot more, guys, but so far I'm loving the effects that I'm getting from Floetrol, and this is a beautiful painting. I'm really starting to fall in love with the blues. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next pour.